In this video, we will explore the process of creating a unique work of art from a tree stump using a saw and a wood chisel. Johnny, a talented artist with a passion for creating from natural materials, decided to turn a rough tree stump into an exquisite work of art, the grizzly bear. First, Johnny chose a large, rough tree stump to start his project. With a delicate artistic eye, he recognized the potential of this ancient tree stump and turned it into a living work of art. Shaping a bear. Johnny will use hand sculpting techniques to shape a bear from clay. He will start by creating the basic frame and then gradually sculpt details such as the eyes, nose, ears, and other prominent details of the bear. Johnny will place the clay bear on top of the tree he has chosen to sculpt. This is an important step in determining the correct position and shape of the bear when working on the stump. The clay bear will serve as a model for Johnny to sculpt in wood around. He will use tools like saws and wood chisels to craft every detail of the bear on the stump. Next, Johnny used chalk to create the main shape of the bear on the surface of the tree stump. With talented hands, he drew the arc of the bear's back, head, and legs, laying the foundation for the upcoming sculpting process. After completing the sketch with chalk, Johnny turns to using a saw to cut off the excess part of the tree stump and form the main shape of the bear. He will proceed to cut each part of the tree stump to create the main shape of the bear, including the body, head, legs, and other details according to the pre-drawn sketch. After cutting the general image, Johnny will edit and adjust the details. He may use smaller saws or other tools, such as iron axes, to create more detailed lines and smooth surfaces. Once the main shape has been perfected, Johnny will proceed to highlight details such as the bear's eyes, nose, ears, and fur, using other artistic tools and techniques such as wood chisels, grinding, and painting color. The wooden chisel and iron axe are indispensable tools in this process. Johnny used them to sculpt small details and bring life to the grizzly bear. From creating details like eyebrows, fingernails, and fangs, Johnny uses these tools to bring realism and naturalness to his work. Finally, Johnny took the time to fine-tune every little detail of the bear. He can use smaller tools to highlight the natural grain of the wood and important details like the bear's hands and eyebrows. Every detail is carefully crafted. Every accent and wood mark brings vibrancy and aesthetics to the final piece. Painting the grizzly bear is an important step to add aesthetics and vibrancy. Before painting, ensure that the surface of the work is clean and smooth. Remove dust and unwanted marks to ensure the paint adheres well. Start from the grizzly's main base color and apply the first coat of color over the entire surface. Be gentle and precise so as not to lose the sculpted details. Continue painting layers of different colors to create sharpness and detail. Use small paint brushes to highlight details like the bear's eyes, nose, ears, and fur. Through this careful and delicate painting process, Johnny has created a vibrant and highly artistic grizzly bear. Finally, the finished grizzly bear was created by Johnny with great care and artistry. This is not just a wooden statue, but a meaningful art object, combining creativity and sophisticated craftsmanship. Through this process, we can clearly see the artistry and sophistication that goes into transforming natural materials into a living work of art. Johnny demonstrated his passion and artistic ability by transforming an ordinary tree stump into a timeless work of art. The grizzly bear,